you can see, there's the name of Lazada because we ordered iPad mini at Lazada. So let's open it. Just gonna there. Finally open it. Bubble wraps. Oh, that's so fast. Oh my gosh, take this off. This box doesn't. Okay, the moment we have all waiting for. Music, please. Oh. There's no music. Music, please. Oops. Here it is. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. No scratches at all. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Let's turn it on. Wait, what? Whoa, that's the Carl's. It's 4:16. Yeah. AM. I mean, not AM, PM. So let's see if the charger works. Let's see. Oh yes, charger works. Charging. See, wait. There. Charging. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. There. Pretty good. There. And press. Connecting it to the Wi-Fi. Where's the Wi-Fi? Okay, let me see. Yes, there we go. It's connecting. There. It's connected. Feel good. And let's see if we can search. Messenger. There's no apps at all. Oh my gosh. I guess I gonna download. That is all for now, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.